This drama is an Igbo folk tale that tells a story about a man that married two wives in one Igbo village. One of the wives is such a good person with a good heart, while the other is a very bad person with a very bitter soul, a very bitter heart. This drama passes a very important message that will help our children grow. Watch this drama and enjoy every bit of it, and at the end of the day, you will get the moral lesson.
There lived a wise and affluent king, whose name was King Obina. He had conquered many nations and was very great. King Obina had two wives, Queen Iruka and Queen Azuka. He decided to call for them. Queen Iruka, Azuka. He heard no response, so he called again. Queen Iruka, Azuka. This time, they both heard their names and began to make way to the Obi. But on the way, they collided with each other and started a heated argument. They were about to fight and were shouting above their voices. But luckily, the king heard the commotion and decided to come out to know what was wrong. Then he saw his two wives fighting and trying to intervene. He was begging them to stop, telling them to live with each other in peace. After some time, they decided to listen to him. So he told them that he's going on a very important business trip and will be away from the palace for some time. So they should try to exist in a peaceful coexistence. With that, he left. The two wives eyed each other spitefully and left. Now, Queen Iruka had a son. Queen Iruka had a son whose name was Obina. Now, Obina was chowing down on some delicious food when he began to thirst for water. His elder brother, Uchenna, saw it and decided to get water for his brother. He went to his mom's drum to fetch some water, but unfortunately, she had no water. So he had to go to the drum of his stepmother, Queen Azuka, to get water. And immediately he did so, Queen Azuka rushed out immediately and slapped it out of his hand, asking if he was crazy. How dare he do something like that? In fact, he must go to Ezoba and refill her drum. But he begged and insisted that he should go to Oba. She refused and said it must be Ezoba. Reluctantly, he carried the jug of water and made his way to the Ezoba stream. Now, the Ezoba stream was located in a dense forest, an evil forest full with dangerous animals and evil spirits. He was moving with caution. As he went on his way, he was met by an evil spirit who jumped out immediately and blocked his way. He begged for the evil spirit to let him pass, but the evil spirit refused. He had an idea. To pacify the evil spirit, he decided to sing a song, singing thus.
Munye na mudinja, munye na mudinja, ejerem kuru mmiri ngenye nwa, osimu gwa mmiri nwa, osimu gwa mmiri si ya ka shoba osimeshu n'ọba. Asiya kashobo simeshu n'ọba. Ọ bụ gị mmiri kụrụ amụma n'eluigwe, mmiri kụrụ amụma mgbe ọnwa na-eti.
After singing this, the evil spirit was pacified and decided to let him through. he thanked the evil spirit and continued on his way. Still proceeding with caution, he was met by another evil spirit who blocked his way. He begged and cried, but the evil spirit refused. So he decided to sing a song, singing thus.
Nwunye nna m dị njọ, nwunye nna m dị njọ, ejere m kụrụ mmiri ga-enye nwa, ọ sị m ụgwọ ya ụgwọ mmiri nwa, ọ sị m ụgwọ ya ụgwọ mmiri nwa, nsị ya ka nchụ ọbọ si meshu n'ọba, nsị ya ka nchụ ọbọ si meshu n'ọba, ọ bụ gịnị eze ọba, mmiri kwuru amụma n'eluigwe, mmiri kwuru amụma mgbe ọnwa na-eti.
Now, after singing this, the evil spirit was pacified and decided to let the young Uchenna through. Still proceeding with caution, he finally arrived at the Ezoba stream. There, he met mermaids who refused to give him water. So he decided to sing a song, singing thus.
Nwa mmiri ka m kọrọ gị inine, nwa mmiri ka m kọrọ gị inine, nwunye nna m dị njọ, nwunye nna m dị njọ, ejere m kụrụ mmiri ga-enye nwa, ọ sị m ụgwọ ya ụgwọ mmiri nwa, ọ sị m ụgwọ ya ụgwọ mmiri nwa, nsị ya ka nchụ ọba o si meshu n'ọba, nsị ya ka nchụ ọba o si meshu n'ọba, ọ bụ gịnị eze ọba, mmiri kwuru amụma n'eluigwe, mmiri kwuru amụma mgbe ọnwa na-eti.
After singing this, the mermaids were pacified and decided to give him water. Now, after giving him water, they were so pleased with his humility that they decided to give him a gift also. Filled with joy, the young Uchenna accepted the gift and made his way back to his kingdom. Now, reaching his kingdom, his mom rushed out immediately and inquired where he has been. She was worried sick and was looking for him everywhere. He told him of what Queen Azuka told him to do, and he showed her the gifts. She was happy seeing it. He told her what the mermaids told him. He raised the gift above his head and smashed it on the floor. And immediately he did that, wealth, money, everything beautiful was coming out of the pot. They were rejoicing. He called his father, called his younger brother. Everybody in the palace, come and rejoice with us. Oh, what bliss. But two people were not involved in the celebrating, and that was Queen Azuka and her son. Now, Queen Azuka dragged her son to the side and told him, look at me, you disgraceful child. You are going to Ezoba Street and you are getting me a gift also. Do you hear me? Let not see your feet in this house unless you do so. He nodded his head, grabbed a jug of water and made his way to the Ezoba Street. Now, immediately he entered the dense forest and was on his way and was met by an evil spirit who jumped out and blocked his way. But one thing about him was he was very disrespectful. So instead of him to even beg, he started shouting at the evil spirit, insulting it, to the extent he even tried to slap the evil spirit. But the evil spirit dodged. After some time, the evil spirit looked at him, but decided to let him go. He eyed the evil spirit and left. Still on his way, he was met yet again by another evil spirit, and he did the same thing, insulting it, trying to push it, trying to slap it, asking the evil spirit, "Do you know who I am? I'm the crown prince. Get out of my way." The evil spirit looked at him, but decided to let him go. And finally, he reached the Ezoba stream. He looked at the mermaid and said, "Look at me, you half fish, half human. Give me water now that I'll take to my parents. Give it to me." The mermaid took the jug of water and got him small water from the stream. He then looked and asked, "What is this? Where is a gift? Did you give my brother a gift also? Give me a gift to take to my parents." The mermaid took a gift and gave it to him. With a satisfied smile, he looked at the mermaid, hissed, and left. Now, making his way to the palace, he made no inquiries, but instead took the jug of water down and started shouting, "Everybody, come oh, come oh. Something good has happened to us. The gods have also gifted my son. You see, it's not only you, Queen Iruka." They continued to dance and celebrate. Now, with a very satisfied smile on his face, he took the gifts up and smashed it on the floor. Still waiting to see what will come out. An evil masquerade. Everybody, take the whole stage. Moral of the story, of the drama we just watched, the drama shows us that it's a very important virtue in the lives of everybody, and you'll be very surprised how the unity can get you even through the thickest of all situations. Also,
the after of friends, glorious.